Get ready for bed, little critter. 2 books in 1 by Mercer. Get ready for bed, little critter. Just go to bed by Mercer. I'm a cowboy and I round up cows. I can lasso anything, Dad says. It's time for the cowboy to come inside and get ready for bed. I'm a general and I have to stop the enemy army with my tank. Dad says it's time for the general to take a bath. I'm a space cadet and I zoom to the moon. I capture a robot with my ray gun. Dad says this giant robot has captured the space cadet and is going to put him in the bathtub right now. I'm a sea monster attacking a ship. Dad says it's time for the sea monster to have a snack. I'm a zookeeper feeding my hungry animals. Dad says, feeding time is over. Here are the zookeeper's pajamas. I'm Super Critter, flying over the city. I'm a train engineer being chased by bandits. Dad says, the bandit chief has caught you, so put on your pajamas. But I'm a race car driver, and I just speed away. Dad says, the race is over. Now put on these pajamas and go to bed. I'm a bunny hopping around my garden. Dad says, just go to bed. But I'm a bunny and bunnies don't sleep in bed. Mom says, shh. Dad says, go to sleep. Well, maybe a tired bunny could sleep in a bed just this once. The New Potty by Gina and Mercer. I'm a big boy. I know how to use the potty. I have underpants with skateboards on them. My little sister is still a baby. She wears diapers. I like to play with my sister, but sometimes she smells funny. And Mom has to change her diapers. One day Mom said, it's time for little sister to use a potty. I thought this was a good idea. We went to the store to get a potty chair for my sister. Mom picked out a pink one. No potty. Ice cream. When we got home, my little sister wanted to carry the new potty inside by herself. But she wouldn't sit on it. She cried instead. Mom said, she's scared. I knew that. So I sat on the potty first. Then my sister wasn't scared anymore. I got her a book to read. Then she didn't want to get off the potty at all. Mom took the potty downstairs so my sister could sit on it while she watched TV. That was weird. My sister sat on her potty while she ate dinner. Later she sat her doll on the potty. She tried to sit my monkey on it, but I wouldn't let her. That night my little sister slept with the potty beside her bed. In the morning, Mom sat my little sister on the potty without her diaper. My sister read her book. Then she used the potty. Mom hugged her while she was still sitting on the potty, but I didn't. Then Mom put new underpants on my little sister. You look so cute, Mom said. I didn't think she looked any cuter than me. We played in the sandbox. I noticed that some of the sand was wet. So I called Mom. While Mom was doing laundry, my little sister said, Potty, Potty, Mom asked me to take her. My sister missed the potty and got the floor wet. We called Mom. The next time my little sister went to the potty, she did it just right. We were proud of her. Now that my little sister can use the potty, Mom and Dad say she is a big girl. But I think she still acts like a baby sometimes. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe and like so you don't miss another story. If you have a story you'd like me to read, leave a note in the comment section below.